We're going out, just me and you. There'll be some romancing tonight. This is what we're going to do. We're going fishing by candlelight. I'll bait the hooks, baby, you just grab the wine. We'll sit under the stars and you'll be all mine. We'll toast every nibble and laugh until dawn. Candles burning out, then going back home. I am not the most romantic guy, but you deserve the absolute best. I promise that I will really try to make this the most perfect date yet. I'll bake the hooks, baby, you just grab the wine. We'll sit under the stars and you'll be all mine. We'll toast every nibble and laugh until dawn. Candles burning out, then going back home. Even if we don't catch anything, it'll still be such a special night. I just might be bringing a ring, oh, going fishing by candlelight. I'll bait the hooks, baby, you just grab the wine. We'll sit under the stars and you'll be all mine. We'll toast every nibble and laugh until dawn. Candle